Hello, everyone. Are you ready to take your English skills to the next level? Today, we're going to learn phrases for shopping for clothes, especially in situations like trying on clothes, discounts, and gift wrapping. By the end of this lesson, you'll feel confident using these phrases the next time you're at a clothing store. Here's what we'll do. 1. I'll tell you a short story about shopping. 2. We'll focus on 5 key phrases that you can use. 3. I'll explain the phrases in detail and we'll practice them together. 4. Finally, we'll read the story again, and it will be much easier to understand. Let's get started. Story time. Sarah was at her favorite clothing store looking for a new pair of jeans. A sales assistant approached her with a smile and said, "Hi, do you find everything okay?" Sarah replied, "Yes, I found this pair of jeans, but where can I try them on?" The assistant pointed to the back of the store and said, "The fitting rooms are right over there." After trying on the jeans, Sarah came back to the counter. She asked, "Are these jeans on sale?" The assistant checked the tag and said, "Yes, they're 30% off today." Sarah smiled and said, "Great. Can I use a discount coupon I received by email?" The assistant nodded and replied, "Sure, let me apply that for you." At the checkout, Sarah added, "I'm buying this as a gift. Can you wrap it for me?" The assistant said, "Of course, it'll only take a moment." After wrapping the gift, the assistant handed Sarah her bag and said, "Have a great day. Let's talk about the story. Let's break down the 5 key phrases in detail so you can use them confidently in your own conversations. 1. Do you find everything okay? This is a polite and friendly question that sales assistants ask customers to make sure they're having a good shopping experience. Why is this phrase important? It's common in stores, so you'll hear it often. Knowing how to respond is helpful. It's also a great opportunity to ask for help if you need it. How to respond. If you don't need help, "Yes, thank you." "I'm just looking, thanks." If you do need help, "Actually, I'm looking for a size medium." "I can't find the shoes section. Could you help me?" Extra tip. You can also hear variations like, "Are you finding everything okay?" "Can I help you with anything?" Now it's your turn. How would you respond if someone asked, "Do you find everything okay?" Write your answer. 2. Where can I try them on? This phrase is used to ask where the fitting rooms or changing rooms are located. Why is this phrase important? Trying on clothes is a big part of shopping for many people. Knowing how to ask politely makes your shopping experience smoother. How to use it. Where can I try them on? Referring to clothes you're holding. Where are the fitting rooms? Extra tip. If you're holding multiple items, you can say, "Can I try these on somewhere?" Response, examples from store, staff. The fitting rooms are at the back of the store. They're right around the corner. Now it's your turn. Think about a time you needed to try on clothes. How would you ask for the fitting room? Write it in the comments below. 3. Are these jeans on sale? This is a polite way to ask if an item has a discount or is part of a promotion. Why is this phrase important? Stores often have sales, but discounts aren't always clearly marked. Asking about sales helps you save money. How to use it. Are these jeans on sale? Is this shirt part of the promotion? Are there any discounts on these shoes? Possible responses from store staff. Yes, they're 30% off today. No, they're full price. They're buy one, get one free. Extra tip. You can also ask about general sales. What items are on sale today? Do you have any promotions going on? Practice time. What's something you'd like to buy? How would you ask if it's on sale? Write it in the comments below. 4. Can I use a discount coupon I received by email? This phrase is used when you want to check if your coupon or promo code is valid for your purchase. Why is this phrase important? Many stores offer discounts through emails, apps, or physical coupons. Using coupons can save you money, but it's good to confirm if they apply. How to use it. Can I use a discount coupon I received by email? Can I apply this promo code to my purchase? Does this coupon work for these items? Possible responses from store staff. Yes, let me apply that for you. I'm sorry, that coupon is for full-priced items only. That discount is only valid online. Extra tip. If you're using a coupon on your phone, show it to the cashier when asking. Your turn. Imagine you have a discount coupon. How would you ask if you can use it? Write it in the comments below. 5. Can you wrap it as a gift? This phrase is used when you want the store to wrap your purchase for a special occasion. Why is this phrase important? Gift wrapping is a common request, especially during holidays or birthdays. It's polite and makes your request clear. How to use it. Can you wrap it as a gift? Can you gift wrap this, please? I'd like it wrapped for a present. Possible responses from store staff. Of course, it'll only take a moment. Yes, we offer free gift wrapping. I'm sorry, but we don't have gift wrapping services. Extra tip. If you're buying multiple items, you can say, can you wrap these together as a gift? Can you wrap each one separately? Practice time. Think about a time you bought a gift. How would you ask for it to be wrapped? Write it in the comments below. Story. Recap with explanations. Let's read the story again. Now that you know the phrases, pay attention to how they're used. Sarah was at her favorite clothing store looking for a new pair of jeans. A sales assistant approached her with a smile and said, "Hi, do you find everything okay?" Sarah replied, "Yes, I found this pair of jeans, but where can I try them on?" The assistant pointed to the back of the store and said, "The fitting rooms are right over there." After trying on the jeans, Sarah came back to the counter. She asked, "Are these jeans on sale?" The assistant checked the tag and said, "Yes, they're 30% off today." Sarah smiled and said, "Great. Can I use a discount coupon I received by email?" The assistant nodded and replied, "Sure, let me apply that for you." At the checkout, Sarah added, "I'm buying this as a gift. Can you wrap it for me?" The assistant said, "Of course, it'll only take a moment." After wrapping the gift, the assistant handed Sarah her bag and said, "Have a great day. Practice makes perfect." Now it's your turn to practice these phrases. Use them in conversations or imagine yourself in a store. The more you practice, the more natural they'll feel. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.
If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure you don't miss our next video. We have an exciting and engaging topic lined up to help you practice your listening skills. Click here to watch it and keep improving your English.